Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the palindrome string or not in C language. So first I share my laptop screen and here fix the position so you can watch better my video lecture. And here Turbo C++ is there. I double click and take some process and now yes is open. Yes, now Alter F, that is shortcut key of file menu, and take a new file. And here our goal, write a program to enter one string and check that string is palindrome or not. It is our definition. Okay, so that string palindrome or not. Okay, so that is our definition. So first, my technique. What is a input? Yes, in your definition, what is a process, and then what is a output. So first, we can target input, output, and then focus in main part as logic, and that is a process. So enter one string. String is the not data type in C language or and also in C++. But character 1D array we can help and using the string programming also perform in C and C++ because both have not a string data type and Boolean data type in both in C and C++. That their two data type is not in this two language. Okay, and that check that string is palindrome. So second question, what is a palindrome? So I think you have to know very well our number like 141, that palindrome number. We have to my video lecture in YouTube is already there, palindrome number or not. So you can watch that video also. Okay, here uh, like a string. So madam, that is a that what is the definition of palindrome string? So right to the first to end, or we can say that starting to beginning, any string is a same. We can write in first side to last, first to last, and last to first. So both in case that here that is example madam, so you can write in first madam and here also madam, so that is the same string. You can get that known as a palindrome string. And then here in second example in capital letter like a b c d and c d a, so in right to first, first to last, last to first, so you can get the same string, so that known as a palindrome string. So for your reference, I in comment line give this two example, and also one line is also some palindrome. But yes, that like I think something is there in Gujarati, limidi gadi gamethi kai yes, that type of string is there. So yes, we can check also here first our header file. Yes, but caps lock in because I give the example in uppercase. So yes, now is correct. stdio.h standard input output, and then console input output. Yes, conio.h, and yes, now we can start over. First, we can see the difference between scanf function and getS function. So string programming we have to start. So there is a option we can scanf and getS, but getS is a better. Why? We can see the, let us start example. So str1 string 1, or you can give any name. So 20 characters, so 1D array, 20, that is a packet, that subscript of array variable is one dimensional array. And then clear the screen and first give the message. Yes, enter one string, that is our definition part, enter one string. Yes, and suitable message. First use the scanf. So we can, what is a limitation of scanf, and percentage s you have to use. And in name you have to not provide here like ampersand, because that is a rules means that 1D array name itself store the address. So address of address is not the, so here we cannot provide ampersand. So if you provide, then I think no any error, but you have to not provide, because that array name is a first 0 bytes that address is store and name itself. So we cannot provide the ampersand sign in scanf. That is, I think, first time to you. And now we can print also, scan and print. So we can say that first string, because we can also copy the second string in first string. Let us check. So here percentage s is there and str1. Yes, here. Okay, my before. So and get s. Yes, so get and now yes, first save this file. So that is name palin, yes, underscore string and dot c. So maximum 8 character is there. Okay. So now save and compile this. Yes, there is no any error, no warning, and our exe file is generated. So yes, I just enter and compile and control F9 run. So yes, first I give the um, madam, yes, that string. Yes, so there is no any error in scanf function. Scan also perfect and print also. But one word you can, that is a not any error or no any hurdles, but we can give like one line. That time that is not perfect work in scanf function. So let us check how it's not perfect. So look, we can scan one line. This is a pen, but print only this first word. Why? Because that is a limitation of scanf function. Only one word scan means without here, if you provide the one word so long, there is no any error, but blank page is not allowed. That is a limitation of it. That is a rules that the blank page is not including. You can use like this type of F5BCA and same one, that is not possible, but here you can give the like underscore same one, that is a print scanf perfectly, but that underscore is not also help, that you can combine, like I again run underscore is some not is including, so BCA and same one, that is a perfectly, yes, now that no error, but you can provide the underscore or blank space that is not accept to scanf function, and that is a limitation. So F5BCA SAM1, and that is only taking F5BCA, SAM1 is truncated. So we cannot use scanf function in string programming. So better is a use we can get as, and you can look, we cannot provide the ampersand sign, that also here no any error, yes, not any garbage, because a string array or any array, that is rules, first that name is store address, first byte, first 0 byte index, 0 index. So name is a address, so we cannot provide ampersand again. So that is meaning address of address, that is we cannot provide. Okay, now here provide the getS, and let us check that perfectly works. So scanf function versus getS, what is a boot? So yes, now that is no any error, because getS header file is stdio. Yes, so here we can first check, yes, madam, yes, that no any problem. Now we can take one string, like this is a pen. Yes, so yes, that is perfectly print. So there is no any hurdles. So that is our requirement fulfilled. With blank page, that is a scan. So we can scan and all printf, no any limitation. So that is getS we have to use. Yes, now I think perfectly. Yes, so okay, so now we can take the other string and copy. Yes, so here I take the str2 and 20. Yes, first we can use the string handling function, and also possibility we can not using string handling function. So here I give the header file string.h, and in between strcpy, string copy, that function name, and first our destination means string 2, and then source string str1. So now we can print second string. So the message and /n we can provide. Second string is Okay, and ampersand, and no, here I not give, because we can use the putS. Yes, so that is also getS and putS, that is pair, scan and print that string. So here we can print two string with help of putS function. So getS and putS some pair function, scanning the one string and print with putS. So yes, and that is string handling. And here first string is, yes, here also we can give the same message in first second string. Okay, so no error, let us check. So yes, I give this is a pen. Yes, yes, so that perfectly copy, no any error. That is a inbuilt function string handling. But if we provide it's our own logic, so what happen? Yes, here is a question. So without that definition is copy one string to other, or copy one string, and without string handling function. So what is a logic in str? So we can that type of, let us check. I take one for loop, and I equal to 0, I str one of not equal to null value. So every string terminate with null, that is by default, and that is a rules of string. So here not I plus plus, and then str2 of I and str1 of I. So one by one character that copy, and we can here declare integer I. Yes, that is a remaining. So yes, that is a perfect, but here not perfect. Let us check that copy is perfectly, but some symbol is there. Let us check. There is no any error. But now let us I first give madam. So yes, look our second string. Some symbol is there. Why? Because that is a when the string handling function inbuilt that provide, like here we can use the strcpy. That time that perfectly print both string. But here we can use to our logic. So that is our responsibility to uh, put at the last as a null value. Otherwise, that some garbage means that symbolic, that garbage value is displayed. So here what to do? Here str2 of I, because last I is plus plus, and here we can provide the null value to our responsibility, because we can take to our own logic to copy one string to other string. So that is our responsibility. We put also null value to ourselves. Otherwise, that symbol is displayed. Now let us check that symbol is not that is a gone. Let us check. Yes, so now that perfectly, yes, some all symbol is gone, means remove. So that is perfectly, now that is, we can say that that is a strcpy, that sometime this logic is used internal. So we can just guess, but actually I think what is there, no, not no, but we can guessing that type of logic is used. Okay. Okay, so our first target is complete, and now also we can take the length of string. So here we can len length equal to 0, and first I our technique. So here I also applied same technique to len, and first use string handling str len, that string length is their function name, and we can pass to second string. So that is, let us check what is that. String length is there. So here, and also we can print, yes, then, and then we can find. So here we can, after here, print that printf function, and we can say that the second string length is in percentage d, because length is integer, index is also integer. Okay, so we can take integer variable, not string variable. And yes, save, and then slash n, here I provide the slash n, yes, and compile again. Yes, now there is no any error, and let us check how length is. So we can give this is a pen and dot, terminate this statement. So yes, 14, yes, so 14 character length. So yes, we can calculate manually first letter, that is with blank and dot also one character. So 4, 5 is there are two characters. So 5 plus 7 blank, 8, A, 9, 10, 11, 14, and 15 dot. So all that 14 character, blank space and dot also consider. Okay, so second string length is, so here we can also possibility to take to our own logic. Okay, so here I again comment line this strlen function, yes, string length, and that is a second we can say that enter one string and calculate that length without string handling function. So here I copy, yes, also type no problem here, but not type waste our time. Yes, just same loop, and here our length that plus plus, and here you can use string one or two, both are same. So here use two. Let us check. Yes, both are same length, so we can calculate second string then. And again, because that first string is copy in second, so let's post madam. So that is a 5 character. Yes, yes, exactly. Or 5 character is there. And now our second, that is we can give this is a pen dot. So 14 character. Yes, that yes perfectly. So yes, our logic is also perfectly work. No any problem. So that type of logic we can guess that is used by strlen function string length. Okay. So both program we can handle without string handling function, copy and length of string. Now what to do? Now turn to our main focus. That time only we can set up to our all copy, and then now we can start the palindrome. So what to do? So we can copy second string in one string in reverse order. So that is a we can take two for loop. One for loop work as a two for loop. Okay, and we can take one j variable. Yes, that two length we can start at the same time. Yes, so that is also required. And here we can say that after that length all are complete, so for loop we have to take, and then I equal to 0, yes, then comma operator, and j length we have to find out length minus 1 because index start with 0. So length is a like our this is a pen. I just show you your alter f5 our previous output. So length is a 14, this is a pen, but index start with 0, so 0 to 13, so that is a 14, that position exactly character is 14. Our index start with 0, so length minus 1, so that is next. Just so that is we can give, and then you can I or j, like j is greater than or equal to because 0, and then semicolon, and I is a plus plus, and comma j is a minus minus. Yes, and we can copy to our first string. Yes, str1 of I. Yes, and copy to in reverse order str2 of j. Okay, because both are same, so we can second string now turn to here. What to do? We can first string copy in second string, so both are same. Now what to do? In we can that is so we can already copy in both strings, so both are same. Now what to do? Second, that index start in the reverse order, so here j less than minus, so that is a dot first 13 here. If we provide this is a pen, so dot, and then copy is a 0 index I, so that is a first string, so that is a now reverse order, and that is a correct order str1 because we have to take already copy in this, and now we can copy again but in reverse order, and second string copy in the first string. That is our logic. So yes, I think you can understand. And now what is first? Yes, that is our responsibility whenever we copy. So here we can provide the null value. Yes, here you can look. So there are two techniques provide the null. That is first, that is a / character constant slash and 0, that is null value, like /n /t/b/a, or we can say that double slash single quote. So that is a / character constant. Black means that are two character, but that known as single character constant in C language. And also that name is a escape sequence character constant in C language. That is other name. So that is null. And now we can take to our own logic, means so we can our responsibility to provide the null. So there are second technique. You can use the capital null, NULL. Small is not means work. So here we can also provide, yes, let us check in for loop, we can provide one null. So that is also any no error. So both we can check. So here we can use the slash 0, that is single quote, here slash 0, that is null, that known as null value, and that is also null. Yes, so here we can in for loop, and 1 terminate with string 1 because we have to copy in reverse order. So we can provide the null, and then we can again print both string. Yes, let us check. So yes, and now we can use the toTest function both. Yes, so after this, so 2 is a same, but 1 is in reverse order. So first we can print this check logic, and then we can say that is a palindrome or not, apply to next logic on our. So yes, here we can say that first and copy, yes, and paste again, because there are two and both we can use toTest. Yes, so let us check first string. Yes, and here I give 1, and here second is that perfectly okay. So yes, that logic we have to apply and compile. Yes, there is no any error, and step by step we can go. So here I give the first madam. So yes, yes, first both in reverse order, that is same. So because madam is a reverse order also madam, but we can give like this is a pen. So that time that is, let us check, this is a pen or that some different statement. So yes, so in reverse order, look in the first string. So because we can reverse copy second string to first copy. First, what to do? First string is copy in second string. Next, what to do? Second string in reverse order, first string copy. So vice versa. First string copy in second, and second string in copy in first string, but in reverse order. So that is a look like that in reverse of copy, or we can say that reverse order of string, that also cover this program. So many, you can start the copy of one string to other, length of calculate one string, and now we can store in reverse order. So that is also perfect logic. You can store in reverse order and print the reverse, write a program to enter one string and that print in reverse order. So that also cover. And now what to do? Next, our main logic here, start for loop again. So yes, so many program is there. Now I equal to 0, then we can say that our first, or we can compare. Yes, so that both is same. So here we can give the second, yes, str2 of I and not equal to null. So that is a more use in capital. Null is a also used, but that single slash 0, that null is a, and then I plus plus. And now we can provide the if condition. Yes, so we can check the palindrome or not. So yes, string 1, that is a reverse of I. Yes, and not equal to str of 2 of I. Yes, that is a happen means, so we can take one flag equal to 0, and then loop is a break. Yes, so yes, let us check and take one flag variable. So yes, now here 4 integer variable, and that is a flag, and initialize to 1. So 1 is a palindrome, and if 0, because if here is a 0, that means that not is a not equal to, so that is not a palindrome string. So here we can if condition. If flag equal to 1, then we can say that string is a palindrome. Yes, so string is palindrome. Yes, and here also provide the slash n. Yes, and else you can say that string is now our logic. So all we can take the land copy, and then we can reverse order and then comparison, then and then possibility. So string is, yes, string is not palindrome. Yes, here some spelling. Yes, I is remaining I. Yes, now it's correct, palindrome. Yes, all are well. Let us check that palindrome or not. So we can give first madam. Yes, so that is a palindrome. So yes, yes, string is palindrome perfectly. So logic is work perfectly. Madam is a palindrome. Yes. Now let us our capital A B C D. So yes, caps lock on A B C D and C B A. That is also palindrome. Right to start and first both are same. Yes, 7 letter and that is a palindrome string. So we can 7 letter is there, and now we can provide this is a pen or any other capital. So this is a pen and dot. Yes. So that is not palindrome. Yes. So yes, perfectly because we can copy first string to second string. In first string is a reverse order, and now second string is a perfect order. So first we can what to do? First string scan and then copy to second string, and then second string in reverse order copying the first string, and then compare the both. So that is a compare end to end, but that is a perfect. But now E that is also perfect. So reverse order, but that is a not same. If that is not same because the first is a this or and here is a and. So that is a comparison, not reverse order. So and compare with T, so that is not equal to. So flag is a zero. I think you have to understand. So now we can trace to our logic here directly. Yes, I you have to know very well. We can start anywhere for watch window. So here control F8 I give, and now I directly run control F9, and then we can give like how madam is possibility, and so madam I give. So that is a palindrome. And let us check watch. I alter W and taking here watch window. Yes, and alter W again and output window. So over all previously here we can yes all printed. Yes, look madam first string second, and then second length is pi and first string is a madam. Okay, so now that is up to here, that is printing, and that is a previously output, but now we can start here. I think that all are well here second string. Yes, that now yes now yes currently output, because here we can up to till now we can directly run. So that is all are printed, and now comparison starts. So we can take like str of I. First we can give 1. Yes, and then str2 of I. So that is a comparison. Yes, and then flag. Yes, not here. That is already taking. Now next line, flag. Oh, flag flag. Yes, any other variable is there? No required. Let us check. So yes, that loop for loop is start. I alter R, that is a trace into F7. I press F7. So start and then look. Here is a madam and madam. So not equal to. So because our flag initialized to 1. Here you look in watch window, that is 1. So not that true or false. False is true, not equal to. So that is a match. So that is a false. Yes, that again second letter, because that is uh, a string one in reverse order and string is correct order. So both are matched, but both are same string. So that is yes. So D now that is a same. So not equal to condition false. Yes. Now plus I plus plus. So A no, because same no, condition false means, and I plus plus again. So here let's just check I is a yes. Here also we can take I. So fourth index yes. So there are 5 characters. So that is last M. Yes, here and last M compare. And yes, that flag is remaining 1. So that is saying that uh, string is palindrome. And now we can give some different. So yes, I control F9 again. Yes, and yes, I control first the screen and then control 9. And we can check. Yes, that is a first. This is a pen or any other word you have to enter, no problem. And this is a pen I can enter, and yes, now all are printed 14 letter. And now here you can look I now as I F7, so I initialize 0, and here start to dot, that is a first string, first character is a dot, and second string, that is a first letter is T. So that is a not equal to. So directly in first letter, that is a guess give that flag 0 and back the loop that terminates. So we cannot trace more like directly saying that not is a palindrome, because let us check. So yes, I press F7. Yes, condition is true. So flag is initialize 1, now is 0, and break. So break, now you have to verify. That is a backward jumping statement. So that loop is terminate. Yes, and then flag is a not 1, so 0. So that is said that not is palindrome. So only first letter that is a checking, and then give that string is not palindrome, because palindrome that both are same in reverse order and correct order. So then and then palindrome string. So otherwise we cannot take waste over time. So first letter that check and that is directly give the answer. That is not palindrome. So I think perfect. And I remove control F8, take that position, red line. Yes, I give red line, and if your cursor anywhere there, you first move that red line, and then again control F8, F8 function key. So that is a remove or watch. Okay. So particular statement you can assign the that is my saying start to your watch window. Trace, debugging and tracing, dry run method. Step by step we can check to our coding if any error is there. Here we can just see our logic. But you can also detect to your error with help of watch window. Okay. So yes, I think perfect. We can so many here. First we can uh, create our own logic without string handling, copy one string to other, first string scan, and we can copy to second string and provide the null. That is compulsory, because we can copy to ourselves, that provide the our responsibility. And then second logic, calculate the length of second string or first book, because both are same, copy. And then we can print both string. Yes, here first printf and then puts, both we have to use, and also cover the limitation of scanf function and what is advantage of gets. Gets is a white place included string perfectly scan. Yes, that is our requirement. And then second string length we have to print, and then one for loop we can, that is our main logic. So that then and then we can compare two string. Yes, so one for loop we can take the two for loop work. Yes, here comma operator, double part initialization, and also double part in increment. So one my video lecture is a seventh advanced feature in for loop. You can watch that video. That is a perfectly I give the idea what is the advanced feature of for loop. So I cannot discuss to all 7 features. So here 2 I use. Comma operator you can double part like initialize and increment decrement part. So one for loop work as a 2 for loop. And here what to do? Second string reverse order copying the first string. Both are same, but first we can here in reverse means first string copying second string. Now second string in reverse index means reverse means JL minus 1. So all length minus 1 and then reverse order copy. So first string copy in the reverse and second is a correct order. And then provide the null, that is our responsibility, because we have to copy in reverse, and both string we can again print. So second, first string in reverse order and second string in correct order printed. And then we can compare the simple if else condition, if only if not else, and then break flag, that is we flag variable flag. So flag is one, so we can say that palindrome. And if first letter is a not a match, then not palindrome. And if that is a not match also, that condition is false, because not equal to. So true is false and false is true, like circuit design inverter work inverter. So that is true is false and false is true. So same, that is a relational operator, not equal to. Okay. And I think that is a you understand, and we can also trace and then finish. So just write this program to your C language notebook. So here we can check and all like 3 program, copy, length, and then reverse also, and then palindrome. There are 4 definition like in this session we have to cover, not 3 but 4. Okay. Write a one string and copy without string handling function, and write a enter one string and calculate that length without string handling function. That is also cover. And then reverse order, write a program to enter one string and print in reverse order. So we can print in reverse order, and then apply the palindrome. That is our main logic here. Main logic is start to here, we can copy in this logic also. That is also in palindrome logic needed, because in one is a correct order and one is a reverse order. So then and then we can comparison. Okay, so I hope you can understand. So I step by step give the idea, and also watch window I apply in this session, and all over there are 4 definition we have to cover. But main target is a palindrome or not. That is our main session. So yes, I close this file, alter F3 function key, watch and output and quit. So yes, subscribe my channel Ashok C Jalakati, press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting and sharing my video. Distribution. So many student my college that distribution to other that friend college that video. So that is my goodness or my credit. And that if any doubt for this definition or any programming C or any other language, you can write in comment section. I give the definitely to answer you. So thanks again and Hare Krishna.